Sport, sporty, sportiest. But there are no corners here for the Porsche and Lotus to sink their teeth into, no. What we got here is a quarter-mile drag strip, and I'm in a Quattro twin-turbo Audi, and I'm feeling confident. Come on, baby. Oh, Quattro, I'm off the line, leaving them for dead. That Porsche, can't see it. Come on, Audi. Comes the Lotus, here comes the Lotus. Is he gonna catch me? Oh no, he's catching, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Oh, oh. That was so tight. The Porsche got left. That Lotus, I had four-wheel drive, so I left him off the line, but he came back. Okay, all right, if you want to see more drag races, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. Oh, we got more of these coming. Better believe we got more of these coming.